My name is John Fanelli. I'm the Vice President of Product at NVIDIA, and I'm responsible for the NVIDIA virtual GPU technologies. We're working with VMware on a number of fronts. To date, we've been working on virtualizing graphics-based GPU technologies, and we're going to be moving more and more into things like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, deep learning. So the NVIDIA experience with VMware has been fantastic. The best word to describe it is collaborative. Both organizations are really putting forward with their best and their brightest to drive technology innovation that ultimately results in our singular focus of ensuring that customers are successful and productive in what they're trying to do for their business. Today, we take the core VMware products on the virtualization side, such as vSphere, Horizon View, and Workspace ONE, and we actually inject NVIDIA GPUs into them. And we enable our customers to run virtualization on top of a GPU. And typically that's used in a VDI environment to provide a great Windows 10 user experience. And in the VDI space, if you don't have a good user experience, it becomes apparent to the user very quickly. And so jointly our technologies are driving the VDI space. We use VMware to help power our virtual desktops. So we have a number of users globally that use virtual desktops in order to achieve their job. Many of them are salespeople and or product people that are on the road, working from home or various locations. So having the ability to access all of our Windows desktops and applications in a way that has a fantastic user experience is really important to us. In contrast to that, we also have a solution for high-end workstation users, where they're complementing their physical workstations with virtual workstations, and in many cases replacing them in the order of tens of thousands of workstations at a time. So in the virtual workstation space, as well as the virtual desktop infrastructure space, customers not only get the great user experience, but they're also able to leverage the technology to provide a more secure environment as all their data is stored in the data center. The users are able to be more productive, and they're able to work from anywhere at any time. And this all lends itself well to allowing them to get more value out of the products they purchase from both of us individually. In many of the industries that we work in, such as media and entertainment, engineering and architectural firms, as well as automotive and manufacturing firms, while many people think of them as engineers, these are really creative individuals. And the ability to work virtually really unleashes that creativity. So if they're out of the office or they're at home and an idea or an inspiration strikes them, they're able to access that technology and make that change right then before the idea escapes them. And this is something that we're doing on an unprecedented level. As an example, we recently demonstrated the ability to edit 8K video streaming in real time in a virtual workstation. So you can imagine, the next Steven Spielberg out on location, no longer using the Super 8, but now using a virtual workstation from VMware and NVIDIA. That's allowing them to create the next masterpiece that's going to be streaming across 8K television sets in the future.